Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to find Facebook username. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The very first step that we'll do is to go over and open the Facebook mobile application on your device. Now tap on the little menu button in the bottom right corner and then you'll get to the screen. From here, we'll click on the settings icon, which is in the top right corner. When you get to the settings, you'll see this account center option. Open that. Select the profile section, and that's going to open all of our Facebook and Instagram accounts if we have multiple ones. But what we want to do is to select the Facebook account on which we want to find the username. Select the username option, which should be the second one on the list, and here is our username. Here you can change your username on this page, copy it, and use it on whatever you want. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.